Hey guys, welcome to Lolita's Kitchen. Before you get started, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll know when I'm uploading new videos. I would like to welcome my newcomers, and I would also like to welcome back my regulars. Today, I'm making a Cuban marinade called Mojo criollo. And please don't worry guys, I'll give you the exact measurements at the end of this video. Okay, so I'm going to start off by making a marinade. I'm starting off with 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 3 bay leaves crushed, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 8 cloves of garlic mashed into a puree or into a paste. If you want to use more garlic, you can. 1 cup of naranja agria. Now, if you can't find that, you can substitute it with orange juice and lime juice. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. If you can't find red wine vinegar, you can use regular white vinegar. It's okay. Next, I'm adding 1/4 cup of white wine. Any kind of white wine, it doesn't matter. And I'm adding lime juice. This marinade you can store in the refrigerator for 3 weeks, or you can store it in the freezer for 3 months. It's really good for marinating all types of meat: pork, chicken, beef, and even fish. Well guys, thank you for taking the time out and allowing me to show you how to make mojo criollo. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good night. God bless. Bye-bye.